In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your branding in Calendly. Having your own logo and visual identity on your booking pages is a simple but powerful way to look more professional and consistent to your clients. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few tips so you get the best possible result from your branding. First, open Calendly and sign in to your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where Calendly keeps all of your personal settings and account options, including branding. When the menu drops down, look for the option labeled Branding. Click on Branding to open your personal branding page. This is the section where you can customize how your Calendly scheduling pages look to the people who book with you. If you're part of a team or organization, you might also see some company-wide branding here, but for now we'll focus on your personal logo or image. On the branding page, you'll see an option to upload an image. This will usually be your logo, a professional headshot, or any image that represents your brand clearly. Click on Upload Image. Your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to choose a file. Select a high-quality image, ideally one that's not blurry and has enough contrast to look good on both desktop and mobile screens. A square or circular friendly image often works best, since many interfaces will crop it that way. After you've selected your image, Calendly will upload it and show you a preview. Take a moment to check how it looks. Make sure nothing important is cut off and that the logo or photo is centered and easy to recognize. If it doesn't look quite right, you can remove it and upload a different version or a better cropped file. Once you're happy with how your branding image appears, scroll down if needed and click on Save Changes. This step is important because if you navigate away without saving, Calendly won't keep your new image. When you save, your updated branding will be applied to your scheduling pages, so visitors will start seeing your new look right away. That's all you need to do to add your branding in Calendly. With just a few clicks, your booking experience now looks more polished, consistent, and